So in this video, we got Roktavor R2 and Horusood H2. And we're going to be having some fun.
Where'd you get them from?
Five Below. By the way, this is Hasbro. They have these at Five Below now. Pretty crazy.
Let me see. What we got? Hold it up.
We got
Beyblade.
Beyblade Burst Evolution. So
Okay.
the thing is, I used to have this one, but then someone stole it from me one time.
Because you weren't being careful with them?
No.
And you let a whole bunch of random kids play with them at a party?
No.
Just, I mean,
It was on
I'm
display.
just guessing.
It was on display
Oh, yeah. For
one
people to
time,
play with.
and everyone stole them.
Alright.
So
Show them what they're all
let's
about.
just open them, I guess. We got the ripcord here. Oh my gosh. These annoying parts on it. Okay.
Maybe you're going to cut your finger.
Don't use it without parent supervision.
I'm supervising?
Hey, you're supervising.
I didn't know that. Good to know. And if it didn't come broken, it might be now.
Serious?
Maybe. I don't know, man. Dude, you're going to lose. Let me go get some Band-Aids.
I don't like Hasbro's packaging. This is nothing like the Karatomi. The last Beyblade unboxed was the Karatomi one.
The what? The Tamagotchis?
No, the Karatomi.
I'm pretty sure we said the same thing.
Oh my gosh. So we got everything here, like forged disc.
What do you get for $5?
Where you get this, the original bag.
And apparently you have to spin it by hand.
No, and then you get one of these launchers.
Alright, let's launch it now. Let's see what it does.
This one should be a stamina type with that wheel. So that might be useful in the game.
Alright. Let it rip.
Yep, let it rip. Okay. Seems like a pretty good stamina type. And here's all the specs. Look up.
What?
Here's all the specs. You guys can take a screenshot right now. All those specs.
You need to sit still. I move the camera. Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All the specs so you guys can take a screenshot.
It's not even in English, man. Okay.
Part of it is.
Cool. Alright.
Okay, now,
So
we got Roktavor R2.
Oh, here?
Roktavor R2.
Wrap the
another
hose.
one of these
Got it.
ripcords. That annoying thing on it. Ah! Okay, so got another ripcord here.
Sweet. Oh, unboxing videos are so slow. Takes forever. Alright, so right now, go ahead and fast forward to 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
It won't take 4 minutes and 30 seconds. I know some unbox YouTubers are like, oh, that wonderful smell of plastic. Because they get used to the smell of plastic while I'm doing unboxings.
Okay.
This is kind of weird in my opinion. I bet other people are agreeing with me right now.
I think it's kind of cool you can get Beyblades at Five Below.
Yeah, it used to be $7 a piece without even a launcher. At least the Hasbro ones. The Karatomi is a whole new story. You can get one Karatomi one for like $14. That's what I got my Victory Valkyrie for. $14. For it and this launcher.
It's expensive.
I know, just for one. And they have these at Five Below now? Wow.
So we should only buy you ones from Five Below.
No. 3, 2, 1. Let it.
So this one makes more of an airplane noise. And it goes all over the place. Why does that one go all over the place, the other one doesn't?
Because this one is a stamina type. This one has stamina and attack. I don't know why the new Roktavor isn't a stamina type anymore. That's weird.
No idea.
The old one used to be
All right.
stamina type.
In conclusion, what do you think?
We gotta do some battles.
Oh my gosh. All right, so.
This is a review, remember?
All right, so you need me to battle?
Yeah.
All right, time to battle.
Ready?
Not yet.
Okay.
All right, so I have whatever one this is.
He has Roktavor, but I gave him a super grip launcher to put on.
So apparently, because
his
my
launcher.
hands are too giant or something for this.
Yeah, I gave him a grip basically.
Sure. Okay. All right.
So ready? 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. What the heck?
Man, I'm killing you.
I didn't even do anything. Why
That's
are you
other-
rush launching me? That's Veltrex move.
That's all I know is that your guy's terrible.
It didn't even launch.
Just launch.
What do you mean now?
You
See,
just dropped him.
Yeah, I just dropped
Doesn't
him
matter.
by
I'll still
accident.
destroy you. Yeah. Oh!
That was definitely a drop.
Simultaneous explosion. Dude, they both blew up at the same time. That was awesome.
Yeah, I know.
Now, I don't know whose part's good at who, so here you go. You can just put those back together.
Okay, yeah.
There you go.
Get rid of Veltrex. No one wants him right now. Okay, got all my parts.
How do you know if one of these is actually good? I mean, like that right there, they both blew up at the same time. So they're both good or they're both terrible? What does that mean?
They both are good.
Oh, they're both good. Okay. Because I feel like one should have survived, the other one shouldn't have.
It's
And
because
that would be the one that was better.
it's because of physics. Dude,
That's okay.
why are you using Veltrex now?
Why not?
Okay.
You fix them. Here.
I guess
Why? Because we're going to see if the new ones, whatever you call them, whatever they're called.
Veltrex bursts really easily though. My Veltrex,
Alright, well, let's
it's
try
kind of
them.
wore out now. So.
Really? Because you watched some show on TV and it was really good.
I know, but this one's
Alright, come
wore.
on,
I've
let's go.
had it for like a year
Let's do
now. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. He's using my wore out Genesis Veltrex with Genesis Reboot, which obviously doesn't work right now. We need some more action soon. Okay. Veltrex
Wow.
does not have. It's not that good. Okay.
Alright, let's see. Alright, so now I'm using
Anubius.
Anubius
While I'm
He's the
using
best of the best.
Horusood. Nope.
with honors.
It's one of my best ones.
Yeah,
Well,
man.
at least this one. For some reason, it's
I'm
really
gonna
hard to
destroy you. It's
burst.
gonna be so easy. You ready?
You have defense 5 stamina. Let's see.
I have.
You should be attacking me a little.
I have whatever power I need to destroy you. That's what I have. All right.
Okay,
Ready?
well, 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. We both look exactly the same.
Oh, mine's bigger.
Yeah. Let me tell you something. This one is Horusood. This one is Anubius.
That's the one that's gonna destroy you. Oh my gosh! Yeah. See,
Oh!
I beat you by you exploded finish.
Burst finished.
Yes.
I need a drink. I'll be back.
All right. Next match. All right. So I'm gonna use this guy to destroy you again. Ready?
Anubius versus Roktavor. Okay.
I'll rock whatever.
Ready?
I'm gonna
3,
destroy you.
2, 1. Let it rip.
I'm chasing you. Come on, man. Blow him up.
Oh my gosh, this reminds me of Veltrex back in the burst season. Yeah, we are. No, who's gonna
So
win?
is that the one from Five Below?
Yep.
So, ones from Five Below are getting destroyed by this guy.
Anubius is my strongest Hasbro.
These are guys, right?
Yeah, these ones are guys, I guess. But Anubius is my strongest Hasbro one.
Cool.
Okay. Next up, we're gonna have Horusood competing.
A horseshoe?
Horusood
Oh.
competing up against Roktavor
All
again.
right, give me whoever.
You take Roktavor.
These two blew each other up at the same time last time.
I know. Yeah, that's why we gotta do
Look,
one
this one
more
fell
round.
apart in my
to
hand.
see- Oh my gosh.
Well, let me go get some super glue, put mine together with it. Give me a little more power.
No.
That's not against the rules, is it?
It is. That's called cheating.
Oh, is that what that's called?
Ready?
Thought it was called winning. All right, let's go.
No.
I got. Who do I have? I don't know.
You have Roktavor, I have Horusood. Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, let it rip!
Yeah.
Oh!
I win by kicking you into the corner finish. Oh, you want me to beat you twice? Okay, I'll do that.
What do you mean? You ain't gonna beat me. Launch
Okay.
as many as you can.
I'm gonna burst all of yours.
Oh!
Oh yeah, there we go. Still winning. And the final verdict is, I win.
You just got strong hands. Yep.
Okay, so
It's still spinning.
yeah, okay. So anyway, you can get Beyblades at Five Below, which is pretty cool because Five Below's got cheap stuff. And I don't know why you put the one over here, but yeah. Anyway, guys, enjoy this video. We'll see if Alex wants to continue making more.
I do. And
What do you think? You like this?
yeah, but I have a conclusion.
What's your conclusion?
Both of these are pretty strong. It just matters of
You
how
think
you
they're any
use
good?
them. Yeah, both of them are pretty good.
They're Five Below Beyblades.
At
So,
least for Hasbro ones, they're good.
Okay. All right. Till next time. See you later.
Bye!